How to find hidden apps on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and click on the search icon and search for hide apps. Then navigate to that page. And once you're here, you will be able to find all of the hidden apps in the hidden apps section at the top, as you can see right here. So it's very easy and simple process. And that was it for this video. That's how you can find, check, and see the hidden apps in an Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.